Oh yeah.
This is me.
This is my Chipmunk. It's brand new. Paid about $5 for it, for the radio and everything. You can see the detail on the engine and stuff. You know, that's a 91 Surpass 4-stroke. Very powerful for this type of airplane. See the detail of the cockpit. Get real close here, and you can see that it's really, really intricate. Beautiful piece of machinery. It really is. Tail and all. Very nice. And there's the wing for it right there. These are a bunch of kids playing in our neighborhood. Shade Tree Apartments. That's the vehicle we rented. It looks to me like a Buick LeSabre. Something. Split the hood open, so I gotta go take care of that. So we'll go ahead and go on to our next phase here. Yeah, you're recording, yeah.
Okay, here we are at Milestone Park. People are cussing behind me because they probably lost an airplane. We are in Fountain Valley, California. I brought one of my own here, the Chipmunk. The other place flying out here. I'm going to go ahead and try this one right now. So, Jake is filming. My brother Jake is behind you, so I'm going to catch him in a little bit. After I'm done flying, then I'll probably have him take a walk and I'll record him too. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get going now.
Okay.
Here was my Royal Falls College. I'm a special trained pilot for this F-15 jet. Yeah. The area where you're supposed to take off. That's pretty. I'm going to run it for about 10 or 15 minutes and bring it back down.
That's a Piper Cub, a military Piper Cub going up there. You see that, Jake? There's another one there.
That one is kind of slow.
He's coming around here. Oh yeah, they go way up.
What's wrong with it?
He's doing a flat spin.
Oh, he's the one doing that.
Yeah.
I ran out of gas.
He's in trouble, actually. No. That's the Piper Cub, the military Piper Cub there. And this is, I don't know what that is. And this is the flying field here.
Remember that, guys?
Jake again.
That was a long time ago. February 20th, 1988, I believe.
For today. And that's the one right there.
That was a badass plane, man, I tell you what.
You can see the special detail on it. It says Super Chipmunk. That's the baby there. Got a special 4-stroke 91, which is extremely powerful for this type of airplane. However, the propeller may... Yeah, this thing is just about ready to go, so we're going to take it up.
Towers is right here, cranking up this F-15 jet.
like 400 pounds plus or something. That's pretty heavy. Pretty floppy. A little older, perhaps a little wiser for the wear. It almost got away from me. That scared me. That scared me. I still remember my heart pumping after that one. Just kind of set in motion the rest of the video.
You're getting on the wrong way.
Pretty hard to see. It wasn't very good with a camera. My friend there. That was a pretty good pilot back in those days. Perhaps they still am. We'll see.
My brother-in-law is a real expert on flying these kind of F-15.
My friend here kept saying F-15. I've never seen an F-15 look like that. Hypercar. I mean, that big fly. Woo! Only the best for me.
I got him in there. Yeah, I think I got control of it. It's hard to keep up with this baby over here.
I'm going to come down for a low pass now.
All right. We're going to bring him back down for refueling.
For landing now. This is probably the most challenging for me because it's a low wing and it's hard to maneuver it correctly. I was fairly new to the hobby, so here we go. Anyway, here goes.
He ain't being a pro. I don't think it's going to be a problem. He's going to land this thing perfect.
Yeah, right.
Silver plane you got there, partner. Well, I wanted to see the Budweiser personally, but go ahead.
It's coming off a bad crash.
Is it really?
Yeah, I have no idea how well it's going to fly.
Oh, well, that's going to be neat. Then I can really record you now. Nah, you'll be okay. That's actually a beautiful plane. That's camera shy. What was the excuse for mine? Landing shy? Uh-oh. See, you just lost a nut on the spinner there. Or I should say you lost the spinner on the nut. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but you know what I mean. There's Jake right next to the airplane.
we'll come back in then. That was a tough landing too, huh? Yeah. Shoot, man. Yeah. Well, there's not too many people flying today.
That's a big one right there. Sure. And with that one right there.
Yeah. Here's another one.
Know God.
Oh, dude. Yeah. Actually, this airplane, the gray one, the silver one that this buddy of ours has, a nice one. I was filming it going up, and he landed it pretty nicely down.
Yeah, down's right.
He must have been doing something right.
Yeah, saved it from a crash, from worse than death. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Smogger one, smogger one.
Bye. I wanted to catch this thing going up. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah, right. Okay, everybody, I guess that's it. That's all the time I've got on this chip. Anyway, so that was it, folks. That's Miles Square Park in Fountain Valley in 1988. It's been many years. The flying field is no longer there. The golfers won it over. But at least we have some memories. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.